Quick video today, guys. Just a recap of some things and 3 stocks that are going to be very interesting to watch the rides that they go on today. It is already after dawn. I did not sleep at all, so my brain is fried. So let's get it started. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Look at me. Do I look like a financial advisor? Yeah, your instincts were correct in assuming that I'm not a financial advisor. Good job. So there we go for that. Let's get it started with GameStop. GameStop not really doing anything crazy right now. It's basically holding its own. We never know with GameStop. Could be crazy high, could be crazy low, could be... GameStop is GameStop. It's a very volatile stock, trading based on it being GameStop, right? That's what it's trading based on. All the indicators for research that people have done is pointing towards mid-March for some big catalysts. We will see if the big catalysts come. I mean, you know, it is still a risk. We will see if the big catalysts come or if they don't come. But until then, it should not go too crazy. Diamond hands going to keep holding GameStop. Really not going to be too much changing there. Or it will go crazy today because it's GameStop, and who even knows at this point with this stock, because it's just gone absolutely. Just you really can't predict too much. So, anyway, yeah, GameStop's just doing nothing really going on. I say nothing really going on until mid-March. Watch this stock go up 300% today. It's GameStop is GameStop. All right, let's move on to Sabre. So Sabre is one of the things that I've been, as a more safe play, I have been very interested in Sabre. It's basically the airline, the travel industry, hotels, back-end technology stuff. It actually did pretty well on, late last week, stocks tanked, right? Well, Tuesday, they tanked, and then recovered on Thursday. Didn't recover on Thursday. Recovered on Wednesday, tanked even more on Thursday, recovered on, did well on Friday. And then it's actually, it's doing fine right now. 1469 was at close on Friday, and then pre-market it's up. Actually, it was up a little bit more as well, but it did drop. So Sabre's not doing too bad. Again, this is not like the price target we're looking to sell Sabre for, because we think that it will go up much more. Maybe not much more. It's not going to be like a 400% return stock. It's going to go up to anywhere between 17 to 21-ish, maybe even higher, because they have some cooperation that they were doing with. I want to say Microsoft. It's not Microsoft. GameStop is doing cooperation with Microsoft. Sabre is doing cooperation with, was it Google? I'm gonna have to get back to you on that. But anyway, Sabre is doing just fine. No worries there. SOS. So this is a stock that tanked based on a Hindenburg report recently. Was very red the end of last week. Actually has been recovering. Today it is up 20% pre-market. It was actually up higher than that. I did pick some up. I picked a little bit up. I picked a little bit of SOS up. It is cryptocurrency mining stock. It's cryptocurrency mining related. I'm not super crazy about it either way. A friend of mine kept talking about SOS. I love this stock. It tanked based on a Hindenburg report. He feels that it's very inaccurate as far as the Hindenburg report. It is a Chinese company, so it's very hard to get information actually from them. So as soon as we hear some defense from them based on that, stock should do either plenty well, or it will, trend downwards depending on how the public feels about the whatever response. So that's kind of interesting to watch. It was, like I said, it was down quite a bit, and now it's kind of recovering from that. And we'll see. It's got a lot of potential for growth depending on how the company responds, really. So then let's go to ASLN Pharmaceuticals. Went crazy today. So there's 2 pharmaceutical companies that actually went crazy in pre-market today. There is ASLN and there is PLX Pharmaceuticals. So ASLN actually does, I'm looking at the wrong data over here. ASLN actually does stuff for dermatitis, I believe, and also for, it's like skin related. They have patents or FDA approval for 2 different things, I believe. There's so much words on here, and I definitely didn't sleep. Yeah, they have approval for a few different things as far as that's concerned for skin related stuff like eczema and things like that. I love that because you guys don't know what skin is apparently. But anyway, it's doing fantastically. So we'll see how it does throughout the course of the day. Just because it's up 75%, I feel like experienced investors already know if it's up 75% does not mean it's going to go up another 75%. This is already, the approval is already priced into the stock price. Currently, we would have loved to get in when it was like, $4. Unfortunately, we did not foresee that. Hindsight is 2020. We did not foresee that. But yeah, crazy ride here. We'll see what happens after the market opens. But that's definitely one to take a look at over the course of the day. Also, PLX. This stuff. Okay, here's the thing. PLX has a new product that was also FDA approved. PLX Pharmaceuticals. So it's also FDA approved. They have a patent for a new. What is it called? Not discovery. A new delivery. It has an improved method of delivery of drugs to patients, including aspirin. So I was thinking discovery. I'm like, I know it's not discovery. I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I said I did not sleep. So keep in mind that I did not sleep. It has potential to improve the absorption of many drugs currently on the market or in development and to reduce the risk of stomach erosions and ulcers associated with certain drugs. So the thing is, that news actually spiked the stock up. It was at 758. It was up to 1310 and it tanked. And I was trying to ask around, I'm like, why did this stock tank? Nobody that I know knows why the stock tanked. They're like, I don't know. We know why it went up. We don't know why it went down. Very curious. So that should be an interesting ride for today because there's not very many stocks that almost double and then tank all the way back down that fast. I mean, GameStop, but we're enough of GameStop for the video. But anyway, those are just some stocks to keep in mind, take a look at for today. Keep on your radar, I guess. GameStop, Sabre, SOS, ASLN, and PLXP. So anyway, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got something out of it. No, I'm not saying buy all these stocks today. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying keep them on your radar. See if you like them. See how you feel about them. They should be doing some interesting things today. Anyway, that's it for this one. Well, the Sabre is not really an interesting thing. It's just maybe it was more just like a recap of how it's been doing since I recommended it a few days ago. But it still has quite a long way to go, right? It's still not even in the range of where we're looking for yet. But anyway, that's it for this one. I will see you guys always in the next one.